You already know. This has got me wanting a big New York style pizza, that big deep dish tonight. Yes. It's time for a 2023 Akins Ford F-450 Reserve Edition, clean and classy, leveled on 37s and 24s. Let's go. We weren't the first to the party on these 23 Super Duties. Many are out there calling themselves the king of these 450 trucks, but you know the Akins Ford for a long time has been the leader in 450 sales, and you know Wild Willies has got it going on too. We're customizing these bad boys and sending them across the entire country and here locally too. A local Gainesville customer, we greatly appreciate our local customers, but all of our customers, they all hit different and have their own true meaning to it. Just like this KG1 Ford's bad boy, 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 24s. Let's get right to it. The star of the show. Well, the star of the show might be this high output, pumping out 500 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. I'm in one myself right now, and the HO makes you go, oh, because it's got plenty of power. It is so strong. It turns a big wheel and tire combo like this with ease. It's got all that you ever could ask for in a stock diesel powertrain platform. Oftentimes, places get hung up on one certain wheel brand for benefit as far as overall margins or whatnot, but we love to run them all. So the KG1 Forge, this is the Luxor wheel. It's got a elegant appeal to it that I really do love, and rolling with that polished wheel. You know, I'm 38 years old and chrome is not old-fashioned to me, y'all. It can still work and flow if done tastefully. So this truck and the Lariat platform, I love the accents on the grille and the border perimeter all the way around, and the chrome finish, chrome bumpers, chrome accents. If you want to roll with it, you just got to embrace it. And of course, paint match is very popular right now. You see so many people throwing paint match everywhere and thinking that that's the do-all, be-all, but this truck right here has a certain strength to it and appeal that only chrome can bring you. Like Toby Keith said back in the day, my favorite color is chrome. Well, that was me too for such a long time, and we like to show all of our different variations, and chrome is definitely one of them. We don't want to be a single track to where we're only doing a certain style or color wheel or vehicle, etc. You get my drift. So this one here looks amazing. We're on a big bolsterous wheel and tire combo as well on Nitto Trail Grappler, 37, 13.5, 24. You know I love the Trail. To me, it's the top three, maybe the number one mud terrain tire to me overall. So rugged and not overbearing as far as the road noise, and definitely performs great, and of course so signature, especially on a big bad truck like this one. Rolling lock retractable bed cover. I love the rolling lock. I know there's been some times where people say the rolling lock's not as good as the retracts or the pace hours, this and that. They're all great to me. I would run either one of them, but I've had these on 3 of my personal trucks for 6, 7, 8 years consecutively, not taking care of them like I should be, and they still rock on with great results. So I'm kind of sticking to it just because it hadn't failed me yet. Definitely a truck that can do anything you throw at it, and now it has that elegance and bigger stance and overall feel that a truck of this magnitude and this price deserves. It deserves our Reserve Edition. Let's go. I don't know if these headlights and grille combinations has grew on you, but it definitely has me, especially the variations we've shown you. But the Lariat has LED headlights, not the projectors like the Platinum and Limited trims, but the daytime running light signature looks incredible, and you now got great standard light output for a safer ride. The inside of the new Super Duty is one of my favorite parts. You spend so much time in here. You need it to be primo, and it definitely is. A little startup for you. Let's go. Built Ford Tough, 75th anniversary. It definitely feels like a 14th gen F-150, but it's a Super Duty with all the power and amenities that still give you the confidence and put a smile on your face to tackle any task. Love the controls down below. Everything's right here at your disposal. The big 12-inch touchscreen, and of course the camera quality and clarity now is second to none. Black leather with that wine color piping throughout, just to be a little bit of enough of a contrast to separate and stand alone. And this center console is pretty basic, but it is super comfortable. Got some padding in there as well. It is definitely the most comfortable. You know, the Limited's got that big embossed logo right there. You put your arm and elbow right there, and it gets in the way, and it's like not comfortable. So something as mundane as that, it's just the little things that count, like hitting this quadrant here, going to that exact left corner to take a look, make sure what's in your peripheral or surroundings. Wrapping it up, clean and classy Reserve Edition 23 high output F-450 Akins Ford, your source We are the True King, 2.5 inch leveled on 37s and 24 KG1 Fords, money set up, Falcon shocks. We fixed the ride height sensor issue up front too. We got it going on. Hit us up for everything auto. Look, you customize it here and you can buy it there. Bring it to us. Let's ride. Peace out, y'all.